Heads must roll indeed. Senator Sherwin Gatchalian is calling for an investigation into alleged anomalies in the country's farm-to-market road projects. More details in this report.
Senator Sherwin Gatchalian said he would recommend to the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee and the Independent Commission for Infrastructure to investigate alleged anomalies in the country's farm-to-market road projects. He revealed that around 10.3 billion pesos worth of projects implemented in 2023 and 2024 may have been overpriced. Gatchalian cited a project in Barangay San Roque, Tacloban City, which reportedly costs 348,432 pesos per meter, far above the Department of Public Works and Highways standard rate of 10,000 to 15,000 pesos per meter.
Una, ayaw ko nga maniwala kasi 300 million per kilometer. Parang gumawa ka na ng tulay nun
The senator also disclosed that 3 contractors behind these projects are the same firms that received 20% of the 545 billion peso flood control budget flagged by President Bongbong Marcos. Among them is High-Tone Construction and Development Corporation, allegedly linked to former Ako Bicol Representative Zaldi Co.
Top rice granary natin, walang projects na FMR. No? Yung mga hindi na sa top, yun ang nabibigyan. No? So, para sa akin, if you think about itong nangyayari sa flood control at yung mga personalities involved tulad ng SunWest, tulad ng High-Tone, hindi katakataka na nalagay ang pinakamalaking allocation ng FMR sa Bicol area.
Meanwhile, Public Works Secretary Vince Dizon revealed that 421 out of 8,000 flood control projects initially inspected nationwide were found to be ghosts projects. Dizon said many of the ghost projects were located in Luzon. He emphasized that these are only preliminary figures, as around 100,000 projects still need to be validated.
Yung ghost kasi yun ang low-hanging fruit yun. Meaning madaling i-establish yung liability and accountability kapag ghost project. No? Kasi ghost nga. No? Hindi na mahaba yung yung case build-up nun. So, mas mabilis tayo hopefully makakapag-file ng mga kaso.
ICI Executive Director Brian Hosaka noted that this new information will help the Commission set a clearer direction for its ongoing investigations.
Kung meron mga ibang distrito or regions na pwede namin tignan, kompleto na yung mga dokumento at mga ebidensya din, puntahan natin yan. No? Now, with this direction now na meron tayong 421 ghost projects, mas mapapadali yan.